Let's turn now to Jackie, who's down in Columbiana. Jackie, good evening to you.
Hi, I think she really just answered my questions too.
You want to go ahead and ask it just to make sure?
Yeah, I was going to say that I was doing okay up until this past year. I had worked very hard to build my credit back up after a divorce, and was doing pretty good until I ran into some health problems, and then my credit just crashed. And so anyway, I talked to I'm on disability, and I don't have the money to file bankruptcy with regular, attorney. I just don't have that kind of money. But I had talked to the volunteer lawyers people, and because I had just recently refinanced a loan, apparently, they said they couldn't help me. But they advised me that if I was going to do it, because I had talked to them, that I had to get right on it. Well, I don't have the money to turn around and file bankruptcy immediately. So I kind of didn't feel like I had any choice, but I've talked to and have technically signed up with one of these debt relief companies, but I don't really feel real comfortable with this. The more I think about it, it's a lot of money every month, and I'm just worried that it's not going to go as well as they keep saying it's going to go. And then when I hear you say, well, these debtors don't have to, sign up for
the creditors don't have to necessarily participate.
The creditors, yeah.
Let me ask you a couple of questions, if that's okay, Jackie. You're on. Are you on disability? Are you on just short-term
Social Security disability? No, okay. I'm on permanent disability.
Okay. So, do you have any assets? Do you have like a paid-for vehicle or home? And you don't have to answer. You can always call us at the office, but.
No, I live in an apartment complex for 55 and older, but I am paying for a vehicle.
Okay, but you're paying for it, so it's not free and clear.
No.
You've never filed bankruptcy before?
Yes, I have.
Okay, that's fine. As long as if it's been more than 8 years, it sounds like you. Well, first of all, let me say this: if you're on disability, Social Security disability, what can they get? If that's all you have that goes into the bank account, they can sue you till the cows come home, but they can't get anything from you. So if you came into my office in that situation, I would tell you you're judgment proof and just ignore what comes to you, because unless there's something I'm not hearing, you're judgment proof because you're on disability and you don't have assets that exceed what we're allowed to have by law. You might want to give us a call tomorrow and see if we can just set up a short consultation for me to get all the facts so that I can give you a really good solid answer. But I do think we need to look at doing a Chapter 7.
That's good. Thank you so much for that, Gina. And Jackie, thank you just for your vulnerability and transparency and all of that. We're going to give again the next block, we're going to give Gina's number out so that you can give her that call as she mentioned. Please know that we wish you the very best with your health situation first and foremost, and also with your financial situation. Thank you so much for calling.